I'll disappear in what I become.
So here we are, the last bridge. Yes, the last one. Anyway, you've got a perfect moat, and you've just seen that, around your castle, and you want to build a bridge across it. And everybody makes the same mistake. But not today. Today we're going to change the world. Right, first tip. You do not put the bucket like this in the hole. Oh yeah, Andy, I got it. Oh yeah, it's good. Let's just cut those holes, Andy. Let's cut, right, same thing again. Make some support for your bridge. Cut some supports in there. Just cut out a little support. That means your bridge won't fail. Okay, little supports like that. Boom. Okay. Tip of the year. Soft sand. Don't compress it. You just put it there like that, in a nice little pile, and then you rest your bucket on it. Don't push it down, just rest it. Like that. So there you go. Do not press down on the bucket. You can smooth it with your hands. I know you're not supposed to use your hands, I know. He's buried his bucket in a hole. How's he going to get that out? This is how you get your bucket out. You can do this very carefully with your shovel if you want to. And the same system again. Go around the bucket very gently. The bucket will tell you when it's ready. You've cleared all the sand out from underneath the bucket. Clear this one. I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Clear the loose sand from under the bucket. Well, no, it's not loose yet. It's got to talk to us. Come on, bucket. Now, one thing you'll find is sometimes with the buckets cut out like this, you'll find that it's compressed it and made it oval. So you have to just take your time, be a bit more gentle, because it's distorted the bucket if it hasn't got a bottom on it. And I know I say I leave the edges on because it makes them stronger, but when you're putting 50 pounds of sand on top of them, that doesn't really apply. So is my bucket going to talk to me? Oh, bucket, ready? Ta-da! Take the side off the bridge. Take the side off the bridge. One perfect moat bridge. And you've got the bucket out perfectly. That is how you make a bridge over a moat. You see, secrets of the world on Sandcastle Andy. Yes.